Hi guys, how are you guys doing? And my name is Kemi if this is your absolute first time of meeting me. And in today's video I just thought to share a video of my green smoothie recipe. So this is a recipe that I use for my weight loss, and it's one of the recipes that I use for meal replacement, because sometimes I realize that we are not so hungry and you literally just need something to just fill that void in your tummy because you're used to, you know, always consuming a lot. So I thought to just share one of the smoothies that I use, one of the healthy smoothies that I use as a meal replacement for those times when I think I'm actually hungry but it turns out I'm not. So I'm going to be showing you guys what I use for my smoothie, and then I'll show you guys the process of making it and then the outcome. So I hope you enjoy watching this video. If this is your first time here on my channel, I do fitness and fashion. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. It really lets me know that you love this kind of content. I'm just out here showing you guys my weight loss journey. Of course, I'm still a work in progress. I have lost about 40 pounds and counting, and I'm still not at my particular weight loss goal. So I just want to show you guys my progress and film it just for anyone that needs motivation. I think that's literally what I'm about. I'm not like perfect, or I'm not like a fitness expert, but I'm just showing my progress, and I just thought to film it for someone else who might need, you know, the encouragement. So I'm going to be showing you guys what I'll be using for this particular smoothie. So this smoothie requires a banana. I'm going to be using one banana, and I'm also going to be using a mango as well as some spinach. So here you have the spinach. This is some freshly frozen spinach that I'm going to be using. I'm also going to be using a mango. So this is my mango that I have right here, and of course I'm also going to be using a banana as well as 1 scoop of yogurt of your choice. Okay, I don't like to say, I know the Greek yogurt is the, you know, the best recommendation. If I don't have that, I also use like the regular yogurt, but I only use like a tablespoon of that, just because, I mean, what's a smoothie without some yogurt, right? So I'm going to be showing you guys the process of making it, and then we'll talk more. Mangoes in here. I'm also going to be using some almond milk, in case I forgot to mention. Here's the yogurt that I'm using. If you have a healthier option at home, please use a Greek yogurt replacement or a plain yogurt if that's the yogurt of your choice. But this is what I have as of now. And of course I have my spinach right here. So this is the spinach that I will be using, as well as my mango. So this is my mango. I already chopped it up with a knife just to make it easier. And of course the almond milk. So I'm also going to be using the blender that I have at home. The reason why I do this, I know that they are, of course, they are juicer mix. Please kindly leave me recommendations on juicers that you would highly recommend, because I'm in the market shopping for juicers, but I'm just using my blender as of now. I am team no excuses, just in case you're like, nah, I'm gonna go into juicing or smoothing or making smoothies. I'm gonna go into juicing or making smoothies, but I don't have a juicer yet. Like, I'm team I do not give excuses. Okay, so I'm gonna be turning in my blender. I'm gonna be turning in the mangoes into my blender, so you can see. I'm also going to be adding a little bit of almond milk, just a little. It's not required, but just a little. Okay, this was what I added was probably like 2 teaspoons of almond milk. And then I have my yogurt here that I'm going to be adding again. I know this is not the healthiest version of the yogurt to use, but I'm just showing you guys what I use and what I'm using right now. And this is about the size that I'm using. This is a tablespoon of yogurt, and that is it. I'm also going to be adding my banana. Okay, So I just want you guys to see the consistency of the mix. I know, you know, some people's like yeah, but anyways, I just want to show you guys the consistency you should expect to receive. It's really thick, like thick. Okay. So here I have the mix. I just want you guys to see what it looks like. Look at that yummy mix, right? Guys, take a look. So guys, so that is one thing. So that is about it, guys. So this is my smoothie, and what I love about this smoothie is that it is so filling. I literally just like I can sip. It takes me almost like 30 minutes to consume it, and then I go ahead with my day, and then I realize that, you know what, I wasn't really hungry. I drink some more water, and then I'm good for the day. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up. Again, we're still losing calories, we're still losing pounds, still a work in progress and all that good stuff. But if you definitely are on a weight loss journey, you should be subscribed to this channel. Don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up and share my videos. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It literally, you giving me a thumbs up, let me know that you definitely enjoy this kind of content and you look forward to more. Of course, I have more healthy smoothie recipes on how I've been able to lose 30 pounds over and counting, and more to come. So thank you very much for watching, and I love you for watching.